Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Germany's invasion of France. We will cover the strategic decisions that led to the swift German victory and its lasting impact. Germany's plan involved a surprise attack through the Ardennes, bypassing the heavily fortified Maginot Line. This unexpected maneuver caught the Allied forces off guard, allowing for a rapid advance and encirclement of their armies. The Blitzkrieg strategy was absolutely crucial to Germany's success. It involved fast-moving armored divisions, supported by overwhelming air power, to break through enemy lines and exploit weaknesses. This tactic prevented the Allies from establishing a cohesive defense, leading to widespread disorganization and retreat. The sheer speed and coordination of these forces were unprecedented in warfare. The German advance quickly led to the encirclement of Allied forces near the English Channel. The subsequent evacuation at Dunkirk, though a massive undertaking, saved a significant portion of the Allied expeditionary force. However, France was ultimately forced to sign an armistice, resulting in the occupation of its northern and western territories by German forces. The invasion's aftermath saw the establishment of Vichy France, a collaborationist government in the unoccupied southern zone. This period of occupation profoundly affected the French population, leading to widespread resistance movements. The invasion demonstrated a new form of warfare that reshaped military strategy globally. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.